Want to learn how to seamlessly finish the toe of a knit stocking? My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Kitchener stitch. The Kitchener stitch is a knitting technique that joins two sets of live stitches together without a seam. With this sewing technique, you mimic the look of a stitch, therefore it looks like it's an invisible seam. I use this on my Cheerful stockings, which is a free pattern on my blog. You can get it here. It's also a kit with Lion Brand yarn, so you can get all of the yarn needed to make the two stockings plus the free pattern, so you can get that down here. I'll put it in the description and in the comments. So let's do the Kitchener stitch together. To do the Kitchener stitch, I have 22 stitches on this needle, 22 stitches on this needle. I have my tapestry needle, and I used the working yarn and I cut a length of yarn so that I can now graft it close. Right now you can see I am working on the heel portion of my Cheerful knit stocking. It is a free pattern on my blog, and I have a full YouTube video tutorial, and I'll link it here. So be sure to check that out if you do want to make this stocking. But to work on the Kitchener stitch, we need to do a setup round first. So we have our working yarn connected to the back. And so I need to work into this front stitch here first. To do that, I go in purlwise and pull through. And now I need to go into this back stitch knitwise and purl through. Now that's the only time that we'll have to do that. It just sets it up so that we can do the Kitchener stitch, and now we can learn the repeat. So the repeat, you're going to go into this front needle stitch first, knitwise, knit off, and then purl, keep it on. Now working on the back needle, you purl off, you take that off, and then you knit, keep it on. So you alternate, knit into the front one, take it off, purl, keep it on, purl off, knit on. So you work in pairs all the way down these needles here with knit off, purl on. Oops, it went over the needle there. And then purl off, knit on. So I'm going to continue on down, and we will talk how to do the last few together so that we can confidently do the Kitchener stitch. We have 3 stitches left, so let's do it together. Knit off, purl on, purl off, knit on. Oops, wrapped around again. Knit off, purl on, and then purl off, knit on. We have 2 left, and what we can do is we just take our needles out, tighten, and then when we go to sew this end in, we just sew it this way so that this tail here isn't sticking up. This is what it looks like grafted in. At the beginning I was going way too loose, and so to fix that I just need to tighten up my stitches like this and work it on down this side. So I'm going to do that. And that is how you do the Kitchener stitch. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you liked it. I am Rachel from Cozy Nooks Designs, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up, Comment if you have any questions and subscribe to my channel for future free patterns and tips.